everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to import posts and pages from one WordPress site to another. I get it. You're trying to migrate content from one WordPress site to another and you're not sure where to start. You don't know much about MySQL and you wish there was an easier solution. Well, thankfully there is, and it's built directly into WordPress. We'll be using the official WordPress importer, which easily allows us to export content into another website using an XML file. If you're not familiar with an XML file, don't be intimidated. It's a super simple process. This works for posts, pages, and other custom post types, as well as comments, authors, custom fields, post meta, categories, tags, and much more. In order to do this, you need access to both websites. And just to be safe, make sure you have a backup of each website's database in case something goes wrong. Before we begin with step 1, let's just take a look at my test site. I currently have 3 posts, post 1, post 2, and post 3, which has category 1, category 2, and category 3, as well as tag 1, tag 2, and tag 3. When we finish the export process, we will find out if these things successfully transferred over. And I also have 3 pages, 1, 2, and 3. We will also transfer these. Now we're ready to go. So head on over to the tools section in your admin panel and hit the export button. There are 3 options available. The first option backs up all content, including posts, pages, comments, custom fields, terms, navigation menus, and custom posts. Alternatively, you can choose to only export posts or pages. You can filter what is exported and only export content from particular categories, authors, date range, and publication status. And they even have a media section, which you can also filter based on start date and end date. Once you've decided your option, go ahead and click download export file. Now you can see I successfully downloaded the XML document that I need to import to my new site. Now here we are on site number 2. This one has no posts and also no pages. Just like last time, we're going to navigate to tools, but now we're going to hit import. This is also a little bit different because WordPress has multiple import settings available. At this time, we're importing WordPress, so we need to install that official plugin just by clicking install now. And now whenever you go to the import page, it just says run importer. On this page, it says that you just have to upload your XML file and that's it. So I'll do just that. Now I've added my XML file, I'm just going to click the button and here we go. We're now given the option to assign authors. Admin 1 is the person who wrote all of the posts on the site we exported. We can either give him a complete new username on this website or you can give all of his posts to admin 2. In this situation, I'm just going to choose admin 2. This page also has an option for downloading attachments. When you select this, WordPress will attempt to import all of the images that are attached to the posts and pages you're importing. And that's all there is to it. Your content will now be imported into your website and you can verify by checking the posts and pages. All the information will be identical to what it was before, and therefore posts and pages will have the same publication date and be assigned to the same categories. Although this is a great solution to migrate content from one website to another, this is not ideal for transferring a full website as website settings are not transferred. You should also be aware that the WordPress file upload limit is applied to the WordPress importer. This default upload value is defined by your hosting company. This can cause difficulties when you're importing a large number of posts and pages, but don't worry because you can adjust the maximum file upload limit by modifying your theme functions.php file, modifying your .htaccess file, or editing the php.ini file. Or even better, you could just ask your hosting company to help. So now that we're in posts, we can see post 1, post 2, and post 3 all assigned to admin 2 with all of our categories and all of our tags, and even the published dates are the same. And even all of the pages are here, page 1, page 2, and page 3. And don't forget, if you have any issues during the process, just use one of your backups to revert back. If this video helped you in any way, then hit that like button and be sure to subscribe, as well as follow us on all of our social platforms to know when we release a new video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.